Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 10, Respiration in Organisms. Let's see. One day Bozo was eagerly waiting to meet his grandparents who were coming to the town after a year. He was in a real hurry as he wanted to receive them at a bus stop. He ran fast and reached the bus stop in a few minutes. He was breathing rapidly. His grandmother asked him why he was breathing so fast. Bozo told her that he came running all the way, but a question got stuck in his mind. He wondered why running makes a person breathe faster. The answer to Bozo's question lies in understanding why we breathe. Breathing is a part of respiration. Let us learn about respiration. Masida introduction oina wari macha ama yauribasi yengsi. Bozo gi grandparents sing asi Bozo gi mayumda town da matam kuirabagi matungda lami madu lakpaduda Bozo na Chielaga bus stop to fauba laami Chielaga satpana maram moraga sor sangjang na holaga sor thabet holami madada maboktuna kaidawrage na hangami mahakna Chielaga lakpagi ne na khumami madadagi amok magi wakhal sida Chielaga kaidawbagi sor si thabet holibano sor sang holibano haibasi maki wakanda kallaga laiki aduna masigi chapter sida respiration gi matangda ekoi discuss tausi aduna breathing haibasi su respiration gi part amani haibasi ekoi masigi chapter si paraba matungda discuss tawra matungda ekoi understand tawna bonasi. Why do we respire? Akoina respiration tawribasi karigidmakta no haibadu akoina discuss tawsi. In all the organisms there is a small microscopic units which are called cells. A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. Organism kudimakta yamna pikpa structural aduga functional unit amalay masi aikoina biological term the cell haina khangnai cell cell masigi cell si magi function tongan ba function lay example oina hairabada nutrition, transport, excretion, reproduction masigumba tongan ba function singa si cell asina pangtui masigi function sing asi tauna bo na ba matamda cell na energy darkar le aikoina chaba boiro tumba boiro like pa ba boiro any thabak taw matamda aikoi si energy darkar le we need energy, we require energy aduna energy si kadai dagi lai bano haibada aikoina chakriba food item sing asi sasan graba matungda food item sing asida energy si store toraga lay masigi energy asi respiration masigi food aikoina respiration toraba matungda food chida yauramba energy sing asi amuk release torakadoribani aduna organism kudimakna energy fangnabagidmakta respiration asi darkar lay aikoina breathing taw matamda sor honjanba matamda oxygen marang kaina yauraba oxygen gas asi aikoina honjalli aduga amuk sor hondorakpa matamda carbon dioxide asi honthorei aduna aikoina honjangiba oxygen asi aikoigi body gi tongan ba partsing da transport tawi aduga cell tamna yawi cell kudimakta oxygen asi yohali cell asida oxygen yauraba matungda cell sina maram oraga oxygen na mating lauraga oxygen na maram moraga food sing asi amuk breakdown to holi. So the process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Aduna cell da respiration thokpa haibadi oxygen asi na maram moraga food asi breakdown tawba kai tharakpa aduga energy asi release tawi masi wai koina cellular respiration kawi. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms. Organism kudimakta cell singda cellular respiration asi tui. In the cell, the food or glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called aerobic respiration. Cell da aikoina sakriba food glucose ontokraba glucose asi carbon dioxide ta kaithare aduga water ka kaithare oxygen aikoina breathe taw matamda lausan gribo oxygen china maram moiraga aduna glucose si oxygen na maram moiraga kaitharakpa sibu aikoina aerobic respiration haina khangne. Food can also be broken down without using oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. Food sing asi oxygen yaugdabida broken down kai tharak pasuyai masibuna ikoina anaerobic respiration haina khangne. Breaking down of food releases glucose in the presence of oxygen, gives carbon dioxide, water and energy. Glucose asi haibati food yauriba glucose asi oxygen yauraba matungda oxygen gi help lauraba matungda carbon dioxide ta kaithare aduga water kaithare water pithore aduga energy pithore masigi energy asini aikoina tongan ba certain function mayam ama cell na tawbada darkar lairibasi. Organism khara madi example oina hairabada yeast haiba organism asi air yaugdabida makhoi survive tawba ngami aduna makhoi si anaerobes haina khangnei makhoi gi energy si anaerobic respiration dagi fangi. In the absence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into alcohol and carbon dioxide and given below. Glucose in the absence of oxygen gives alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Aduna glucose asi anaerobe sing nasa kriba glucose sing asi haibadi food ta yawba glucose sing asi oxygen yaugdabida makoina kaitharakpa matamda alcohol ta kaithare carbon dioxide ta kaithare aduga energy asi fang masibuna ikoina anaerobic respiration haina khangne. Yeast are single-cell organisms. They respire anaerobically and during this process yield alcohol. They are therefore used to make wine and beer. Yeast haiba organism asi single-cell oiba cell amakaktamak laiba organism ni makoi si anaerobically respiration tawi haibadi oxygen yaugdabida air yaugdabida makoina respiration tawbani. Masigi anaerobically respiration tawba asida alcohol yield tawi alcohol putoi aduna maram moraga yeast asi wine chungba aduga beer chungba sine. Aikoigi muscle asishu anaerobically respiration tawi adubu ngahaktamakini masi karama matamda aikoigi muscle gi cell sing asi anaerobic respiration tawi haiba matamda aikoina heavy exercise tawa matamda example oina hairabada fast running cycling walking masigumba mayam ama aikoina karakuina tawba. Heavy weightlifting, the demand of energy is high. Aduna sugumba tabak tawu mayam tabak sing asi tawu matamda energy asi yamna darkar lai aduna maram moraga oxygen supply asi yamna darkar lei adubu oxygen supply asi limited oiba maramna energy asi yamna marang kaina phangba wali aduna maram moraga aikoina konadaba energy asi aikoigi muscle cell asi anaerobic respiration taro matungda darkar laiba energy asi fangi. So glucose in muscle in the absence of oxygen gives lactic acid plus energy. Aduna glucose aikoigi muscle da yauriba glucose asi oxygen yaugdabida magna anaerobic respiration taro matungda lactic acid aduga energy da decompose tori. Breakdown tori. Aikoina heavy exercise tawkraba matungda aikoina muscle cramp tawba nakoina thengnaram bayai muscle cramp tawkribasi muscle da laiba cells singasi anaerobic respiration tawbadagi lactic acid asi produce tarakpadagi lactic acid asina maram moraga muscle cramp asi tawbani aduna muscle cramp asi fanaba honaba matamda aikoina hot water bath natragana massage tawragadi muscle cramp asi fai maramdi lactic acid asi makatana carbon dioxide adu water da kaithakibadagi fabani aduna hot water bath adu massage tawbataragadi oxygen gi supply asi heli oxygen circulation blood da oxygen gi circulation asi helakpana maram moraga lactic acid asi carbon dioxide adu water da complete breakdown tawkibadagi ngambani. Let's see the next topic, breathing. Masigi activity asi teacher gi supervision makada nakoina tawgadabani masida koigi nostril aduga mouth asi humjallaga watch da yengaga aikoina breathing aktang hold tawraga sor hondabida aikoina thammaga kyam kuina ngamge hebadu masidi yengduribani aduna masida nakoina ngamba chang adu pawba sor hondabida lairaga matam kyam kuina changi hebadu nakoina masida yengbiyar aduna masidagi aikoina sor honba warani maduda aikoina amuk sor honba matamda aikoina sang hongani aduna sang na holibasi oxygen si hena darkar lakpatagi aikoina sang honmani aduna masigi activity asidagi breathing haibasi aikoi animal na yamna important human being na yam important oiba amani haibasi aikoina masidagi khangbi masigi khatarakpada aikoina breathing rate aikoina muk discuss tawsi. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is termed as the breathing rate. Minute amada miyoi amana kayam yamna sor holi haibasi breathing rate kawi akoina sor honjan breathing tawa matamda inhalation aduga exhalation si tawi alternate oina inhalation haibadi sor honjan ba aduga exhalation haragana sor hondokpa aduna one breathing a breath hairagadi a breath or one breathing and hairagadi one inhalation plus one exhalation ani haibadi sor amu honjanba aduga amu hondokpa ani sipullaga aikoina one breath haina aikoina khangnagani. Matangi activity asi amu yengsi masida aikoina tongan ba matamda aikoigi breathing rate asi kya oige haibadu yengduribani aduna normal oiringaida icham chamna lairingaida breathing rate asi yengbiyai after a brisk walk for 10 minute tara gumba aikoina chatlaba matungda breathing rate asi kya oine yengbiyai masida mok aikoigi breathing rate asi hengalani after running fast 100 meter yam yangna chelaba matungda breathing rate asi chu hengalani rest oiringaida potharingaida breathing rate asi kya oige haibasi aikoina yengba yai masida amu hantarani asumna tongan ba matang da aikoina breathing rate asi yengba yai tongan ba classmate ki sing asi su aikoina yengaga masigi table asida entry tawraga comparison tawbi. On an average, an adult human being at rest breathes in and out 15 to 18 times in a minute. During heavy exercise, the breathing rate can increase up to 25 times per minute while we exercise. Not only do we breathe fast, we also take deep breaths and thus inhale more oxygen. Adult human being amana rest tawringai matamda sor honbasi minute amada 15 to 18 times ki changda sor holi. Heavy exercise tawu matamda 25 times minute amada 25 times ki changda hengalai. Aikoina exercise heavy exercise tawu matamda sor si sang yam tuna holai madugi matakta amok aikoina sor si yam sang holi masi oxygen nasi hena darkar laibana maram moraga oxygen nasi hena fangnaba aikoina sor sang honba yam tuna honba si tawriban. Aduna aikoina heavy exercise tawu matamda aikoigi cell singchina hena energy darkar lai aduna maram moraga food asi breakdown tawbagi speed asi hengatuna energy hena release tawi. Masigi maram asina aikoina physically exercise tawu matamda aikoina yam tuna lami ba masigi maram asinan. Aduga aikoina drowsy oiringai matamda aikoina breathing rate asi slow oibagi maram sina aikoigi drowsy oiringai da ipingai da rest oiringai da energy asi yamna ka hena darkar oide aduna maram moraga breathing rate asi slow oiribani. Let's see this picture. Masigi picture sida tongan ba mioi sing china tongan ba thabak sing tawre masida energy khwaidagi yamdana darkar laibasi karambano aduga matang sum hengalakpadu aikoi thidoksi. Ahambada masida fi sure masijina tumme walking chatle reading thabak sure jogging tawre masising asi aikoni yeng matamda energy khwaidagi yamdana darkar laiba asi rest tawringai da sleeping gi timing asi oini aduna masigisna number 1 position da lairani. Aduga matangi masidagi amok energy kitang darkar laiba asina reading like pa ba asina oirani, so it will be number 2. And then masigi ahal asina walking chatpa asina energy amok khara hena darkar lairani aduna masina number 3 oirani. And then masigi nupi asina fi sure masina mok energy khara mo hengalani darkar laiba aduna masina number 4 oire. And then masigi nupi macha asina jogging tawre aduna masina number 5 oirani. The last heavy work thabak tawre aduna masina number 6 oirani. Masigi asina khwaidagi energy hena darkar lairani.